Good morning, Anna. Are you ready for our road trip?
Good morning, Sam. Yes, but I feel a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
This is my first time renting and driving a car in America.
Don't worry. I'll help you all day.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Did you bring your driver's license and passport?
Yes, I also brought my international driving permit.
Great. You may need both, but there is one very important thing about driving in America.
Really? What is it?
I won't tell you now,
Why not?
because I want you to discover it yourself.
That's not fair.
Just wait a little longer.
Can you give me one small hint?
No hints today.
Now I am even more curious.
Good. Keep thinking about it.
Okay, let's go inside.
Hello, welcome. How may I help you today?
Hello, I have a car reservation. My name is Anna Wilson.
Let me check. Yes, I found your reservation. You reserved a compact car for 3 days.
Yes, that's correct.
May I see your driver's license?
Of course, here is my driver's license.
Thank you.
And here is my international driving permit.
Perfect. I need to see both documents. How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Drivers under 25 pay a young driver fee.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It is $20 per day. Basic insurance is included.
That's good to hear.
One important thing, please return the car with a full tank of gas.
A full tank.
Yes, we call it full to full.
So I receive it full and return it full.
Exactly.
I will remember that.
Please return the car here before Friday evening.
Got it. Thank you for telling me everything.
You're welcome. Here are your keys. Have a wonderful trip.
Thank you very much. Sam, I got the keys. Better than I expected.
Great job. See, you did it by yourself.
The agent was very friendly. I learned something new today.
What did you learn?
Drivers under 25 pay an extra fee.
Yes, that's called the young driver fee. You are still young.
Yes, I am. And I must return the car with a full tank of gas.
Exactly. Full to full.
I won't forget.
Ready to see our car?
Yes, I'm excited.
It's the white SUV over there.
Wow, it looks much bigger than I expected.
Many cars in America are large.
There is so much space.
Perfect for our beach trip.
Let's put our bags inside.
Done.
Now, let me look inside. Oh, there is no clutch, only 2 pedals.
That's right. Almost every rental car here is automatic.
So I don't need to use a clutch.
No, just the brake and the gas pedal.
That makes driving much easier.
It does. Many people in America drive automatic cars.
I have driven an automatic before, but not very often.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it quickly.
I hope so. The seats are big and soft, too. It feels very comfortable.
Yes, it's a nice car. By the way, do you remember my question from this morning?
The big difference about driving in America? You still won't tell me?
Not yet.
You're very good at keeping secrets.
You'll know in just a few minutes.
Before we start, let's adjust everything.
Okay.
First, move your seat.
I need to move it a little forward.
Can you reach the pedals comfortably now?
Yes, this feels much better.
Great. Now adjust your mirrors.
The left mirror looks good.
Check the right one too.
Okay, now I can see both sides.
Don't forget the rear view mirror.
Done.
Perfect. Now put on your seatbelt.
Of course. Click. Everyone must wear a seatbelt here, right?
Yes, the driver and every passenger.
Safety always comes first.
Exactly. Let me show you a few buttons.
There are so many.
Don't worry, you only need the important ones.
Okay.
This switch turns on the headlights.
Headlights?
This one controls the windshield wipers. You'll need them when it rains.
Wipers. Got it.
Press the center of the steering wheel to use the horn.
Only in an emergency?
Yes, don't use it unless you really need to.
I understand.
These buttons control the air conditioner.
It's warm today. I'll turn it on. That feels much better.
Now let's set the GPS.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Where are we going first?
Let's drive to the beach. The GPS says it's about 20 miles away.
20 miles?
Yes, America uses miles instead of kilometers. And the speed limit is also in miles per hour.
Okay, miles, not kilometers. So I must watch the speed signs carefully.
Exactly. Are you ready?
I think I am ready to start.
Okay, start the car. Put your foot on the brake, then press the start button.
Like this? The engine is on. It is so quiet.
Perfect. Now drive slowly toward the exit.
Okay, slowly, slowly. I'm at the exit now.
Now stop here for a moment. Do you remember the big difference I mentioned?
Yes, please tell me now.
In America, people drive on the right side of the road, not the left side.
The right side? In my country, I'm used to something different. We drive on the left.
That's why many visitors feel confused at first.
Okay, now I understand. Drive right side, like this?
Perfect.
This feels so strange. I keep thinking about the left side.
I know it feels strange for everyone at first. Just follow the other cars.
Good idea. That helps. Everyone is on the right.
The driver sits on the left side of the car and drive on the right side of the road.
Drive on the right. I will never forget this.
You are doing great. Now we are coming to a red light. Slow down and stop.
Okay, I am stopping. We want to turn right here, right?
Yes. And here is something new. In most places in America, you can turn right on a red light.
Really? Turn right on a red light? Is that safe?
Yes, but first you must stop fully. Then look both ways. If no car is coming, you can turn.
I see. Stop first. Look, the road is clear. I'm turning. Okay, here I go.
Perfect. That was very smooth.
That was new for me. Look, Sam, we're here. I can see the ocean.
Yes, you drove all the way here.
I can't believe it.
How do you feel?
Happy and much more confident.
You learned many new things today. Tell me what you remember.
I need my driver's license and my international permit.
Very good.
I returned the rental car with a full tank. Most rental cars are automatic.
Right.
America uses miles, not kilometers. We drive on the right side of the road.
Excellent.
The driver sits on the left side of the car. In many places, I can turn right on a red light after stopping.
Exactly. I'm proud of you.
Thank you for teaching me.
You're welcome.
Without your help, I would still be nervous.
Everyone feels nervous the first time.
But now, I feel ready to drive again.
That's wonderful.
Thank you for this great trip.
Anytime.
Now let's enjoy the beach.
Yes, we earned it.